BMW revealed the new X1. This new generation model has the all-new design but also new technology and is available as an all-electric vehicle as well. Visually, it has a larger kidney grille that makes it look more muscular. LED lights have the new design and similar lighting signature of daytime running LEDs that we recently saw on the introduced 3 Series facelift. LEDs are standard and adaptive LEDs with matrix option come as an option. Rear of the car also has a lot of changes compared to the predecessor. Lights have a different shape and they also feature the L shape of the lighting signature. Interior is much more modern now, with the new dashboard featuring the curved screen. It consists of 10.25-inch driver's display and 10.7-inch central touchscreen. Central console is all new and among other things it features the new gear selector. Tell me in the comments how do you like the new BMW X1 and subscribe for more.